Hi, hello, and welcome back to my channel Div's Home Studio. In today's video, I'm going to talk about a few makeup products. I'm going to review these products. I have been using these products for a while now, so without any further delay, let's get started. I think a month ago, before this lockdown started off, I bought a few Wet n Wild products. I think in the month of February or something. I was using these products since then, and I got a few products in combo. All work to be really fine. Recently, I am in love with the Wet n Wild products. They are cruelty-free brand, and they have a wide range of categories. You take it of lipstick or contour or bronzer. You have a number of shades and variants in it. So that's what is really overwhelming about this product. This brand. So let's check out what the products I wanted to show you today, and let's review on the products. Got a Wet n Wild contouring mega palette, mega glow contouring palette. So this is how the packaging looks, and they do have two shades in it. It's a banana powder and a contour powder. They are matte, completely matte in finishing. They are kind of very smooth and fine powder. They really do set very nicely on your skin, on about any kind of cream products. They don't look patchy. They are not kind of flaky, or they are not powdery, which doesn't really stick onto your skin. It's so smooth and so fine that really sticks so well. But the only con they have is the quantity of the product. As you can see, I have just gone to the base, but as you can see from the side, they don't really have much product. The total product is about 12 grams, and they retail for about 500 bucks. There's 4.99, and yes, that's it about the product. And the banana powder is super good for all the skin tones. This contour powder really doesn't work as the contour for me because it is kind of very light to my skin tone. So I do use it as setting powder underneath my eyes, or about the after I finish on concealer on the eyelids, just to set the base. I use this powder. Banana powder is extremely good. I'm in love with it, and yes, they do have another con, that is they don't have a mirror here. It's just this white packaging, and it's in the shade caramel toffee, and they do have 12.5 grams of product and retail for 500 bucks. And I got this in a combo. You can really give it a try. The next product would be a eyeshadow palette. That's a quad palette, and it has 4 shades in it. And let me show you the packaging. This is how it looks. They do have two matte shades and two shimmery shades. The two mattes are kind of very dark and very pigmented. They look too good on the dark skin, and these two shimmery shades are very highly pigmented. They look awesome. I really loved it. They are the limited edition, I think something called Rose limited edition. I'm not sure about it, but I got this in a combo. And yes, that's it. I have created this eye makeup look using this squad. As you can see, it is highly pigmented. The color looks so very vibrant and so nice. It really suits dark skin tone people. Quality wise, I'm very happy. The quantity is also quite good. They do have a net weight of 4.8 grams of powder, and they retail for about 500 bucks. So this is another product from the combo. Let me swatch this eyeshadows for you. As you can see, they're so very pigmented. The shimmery shades are too good. I liked it very much. See? I think I like this dark pink. So good. And moving on to the third product, it is mascara. So this is the Max Fanatic Wet n Wild mascara. The packaging is really awesome. I love the packaging. Of course, they do have a very less product, like 8 ml of product, and but they do have a very nice applicator. The bristles are so well defined, and as you can see, they do have a different shape. The bristles are so very fine and so nice. It just gets covered with all the layers of the lash, so I like this part of that. And it's absolutely dramatic. I don't really like putting on lashes, false lashes all the time. I think mascara is fine for me, so this is one of the best from their range. And the fourth product is the Wet n Wild Catsuit liquid lipstick. I should tell about this lipstick is awesome. The shade is excellent. I mean, the shade's name is excellent, and it's a nice burgundy color. They are like this is like super good. This is a very awesome burgundy color. It really looks so good on any kind of skin tone. For me, it's looking stunning, and they do retail for rupees 500, and they do have around 6 grams of product. They will come a very long while, and the consistency of the product is non-repeat, just so creamy. Of course, it is not transferable, slightly transferable, and they don't really make your lips very dry. They have a very nice finish, smooth creamy texture liquid lipstick. They are just so thick, they are non-repeat. The applicator is really so so flexible, so you can give the nice shape with this applicator. I love the applicator, and the packaging is really cute, and it looks so nice. I love the packaging. So I'll just swatch it for you guys. It's so deep, so pigmented. The color looks so nice on the skin. I love the pigmentation. There are so many Wet n Wild products which I am yet to try out, and I would review this product in future. So that is that for today's video. You just want to know how I created this look, check out in my description box below. It's super simple, and I just used almost all the Wet n Wild products which I showed you today in this tutorial. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope this review must have been useful for you to buy any Wet n Wild products. If you're of my skin tone, then surely it'll work. I am on the darker side. I'm ANSI 45, and I have a very dry skin. So I hope this video will be useful for you. Until next time, Divya signing off.